Have you ever wondered what a neutron star is, or how it's formed? Let's delve into this cosmic mystery. A neutron star is the incredibly dense collapsed core of a large star, left behind after a supernova explosion. Despite being much smaller than your average star, these celestial bodies pack a punch with extreme density and mass. Imagine, if you will, a gravitational force 2 billion times stronger than Earth's, all concentrated in such a compact star. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 10 million tons on Earth. So, how does a neutron star come into existence? Well, picture a star at the end of its life, its energy exhausted. It succumbs to a dramatic supernova explosion, shedding outer layers into the cosmos. Meanwhile, the star's core is collapsing under its own immense gravity. This intense pressure forces protons and electrons to merge, forming neutrons. This dense, neutron-rich core is all that remains, the birth of a neutron star. So in essence, a neutron star is the ghost of a star that once was. What happens when two of these cosmic heavyweights collide? Well, the spectacle is nothing short of phenomenal. Picture this: two neutron stars, each with a mass greater than our sun, spiraling towards each other in a deadly dance. As they draw closer, their gravitational pulls increase, speeding up their dance until they finally crash into each other. This collision is what we call a kilonova. A kilonova is not just a magnificent display of celestial pyrotechnics, it's a powerhouse of universal creation. In the heat and pressure of this collision, elements heavier than iron are forged. Yes, that's right, the gold in your jewelry, the platinum in your car's catalytic converter, even the uranium in nuclear reactors, all these may have their origins in these cataclysmic events. What's more, these collisions are so intense, they distort space-time, sending ripples across the universe, gravitational waves that we can detect right here on Earth. So when two neutron stars collide, they shake the very fabric of the universe and create a cosmic fireworks display like no other.